Staff member credentials are used for tracking various qualifications and certificates that your staff members have achieved. This is useful for a number of reasons, including tracking which staff members have which credentials, reporting on upcoming expiration dates, and filtering the schedule based on various staff members that have various credentials. For example, if you wanted to pull a schedule of all staff members that are CPR certified, you could do so. If you wish to use this feature, the first step is to set up your credential categories and credential types. To access the credential categories section, you're going to click on the plus symbol in the navigation bar, and then click on Credential Categories. Remember to press the Go button to see all current categories within your system. To create a new credential category, simply press the New Credential Category button at the top of the page and give it a name. The Include for Staff Member Print checkbox is used when printing clinical documentations. The system has the ability to print staff member credentials behind the staff member's name on clinical documentation. For example, John Smith, BCBA. This checkbox tells the system to include credential types that fall under this category on the printed documentation. So if items underneath of this credential category should be printed after the staff member's name on clinical documentation, check the checkbox. For this example, I'm not going to check it off, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. Upon saving, we are now viewing the credential category detail page. From here, we can create the credential types from the bottom. To explain where we are in the system right now, this would be the same as if I clicked on the plus symbol, then clicked on Credential Categories, then clicked on the Certificates credential category from the list. Now we can create our credential types that fall underneath of this category. To do so, I'm going to click on the New Credential Type button. At a minimum, I'll give the new credential type a name. Then I'll simply press Save. I can create as many credential types underneath of that credential category as necessary. Once you've set up your credential categories and credential types, it's time to start adding them to your various staff members. In order to do that, we're going to locate the staff members section. In my site, I'm going to click on the plus symbol and then click on staff members. From there, I'll want to press the Go button if I want to see all staff members. Then I'll click on the staff member name that I wish to add the credential to. Next, I'll scroll to the bottom of the staff member detail page and I'll locate the section named Credentials. To add a new credential, I'll press the New Credential button. Then I'll select the credential category and then the credential type. From this screen, I can fill out any additional information that I may wish to track. For example, if I want to track the dates that the certificate is active, I'll enter in the start date and the end date. Using the TotalABA reports tool, you would be able to easily report on any staff member credentials that have an expiration date coming up in the near future. Once I've completed the new credential form, I'll simply hit Save. And I can repeat the process for as many credentials as I need to add to this particular staff member or any others. And that's it for setting up credentials. In the Schedule Views video, you'll learn how to filter your schedule to only pull certain staff members that have certain credentials.